afternoon, everyone. It is January 22nd, the last day of a full class before we go on to the test next week on January 29th. Just to remind you, we do have it on the schedule, okay? On February 5th, something called the option class. Now, this is something that the university specifically tells us, the teachers, don't put anything in this class. This is only for an emergency in case, for example, I don't know, there's snow all over the campus. On the 29th, if you need this class, use it. Otherwise, schedule nothing. So nothing is scheduled for that class. If I tell you, please meet me on February 5th, then yeah. Otherwise, you don't have to come to that class. That's just an option class. The final conversation test is on the 29th, and today is the 22nd. Okay, so the class description here also has the a rough description of the test, the full description of the test, which you already did in the midterm exam, is is here in the day of the test. Today will be your final conversation test and all the explanations. The main information is here. The schedule is down here. Once you come in and you sign your papers and you find out who you're going to be doing the test with, make sure that you have the correct time. And I will be doing not 8 groups. There will only be 6 groups for the test. So we should be able to finish before the entire class is up. Now, just on your assignments today, okay, you have your grammar quiz and your paragraph writing as opposed to your reflection. Those will be the assignments for this week. I also want you to note that next week is a test, but you have one more reflection, okay? Reflection number 15 is assigned on the day of the test, but you have plenty of time after the test until Friday to be able to do this reflection, okay? Oh, and one more important thing. In December 18th, in the class for December 18th, I asked you to submit your, come on. That's not responding. Okay, here we go. Submit your TOEIC certificate. And I have the TOEIC certificates for, here we are, come on, there we are. I have the TOEIC certificates for 25 people. So one person has not yet submitted their TOEIC test. Please make sure that you're not that 26th person. If you do not submit your TOEIC certificate, I can pretty much guarantee you will fail this class. That TOEIC certificate is 25% of your grade. So even if you do well in the tests, but you have a couple of problems in the other assignments, and you don't submit this TOEIC certificate, definitely you will not get a good grade, and probably you'll have a high chance of failing the class. So one person, please make sure that you submitted your TOEIC certificate. Okay, if you have any questions, you can always come up to me here in class and ask me anything you like, or contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, just have a good class, everyone.